This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Lexus RX 350 full guide. Start by checking the key fob battery and test the physical key in the driver door. Next, try the Smart Access push button while standing close to the door. If the battery and proximity fail, use the mechanical key hidden in the fob to open the door and then consult the owner manual for reprogramming steps. Warm and simple steps help most key fob issues without a trip to a dealer. First, inspect your fob for corrosion or visible damage and replace the coin cell battery with the correct type. If replacing the battery does not restore function, remove it for 30 seconds and reinsert it firmly to reset the device. If problems persist, the next slide covers alternative mechanical and tech options to access your vehicle. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfy during roadside fixes and long drives. I'll drop the link and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. If electronic methods fail, mechanical entry is straightforward and often safe. Remove the mechanical key from the fob and unlock the driver door, then start the vehicle if key recognition allows. For broken keys, locked steering, or damaged locks, contact roadside assistance or a certified locksmith to avoid further damage. Keep spare batteries and a backup key in a secure place to prevent future lockouts and simplify recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.